Do you want to know how to use your Canon DSLR to take beautiful photos? Perfect, this is the course for you. Whether you just purchased a brand new camera of your own or received one as a gift, I'm here to help you get started. Reading your camera manual or watching free tutorials online can get you started, but you'll learn quicker and better with a complete A to Z guide on all of the buttons, features, and settings of your camera. That's what this course will teach you. Along with the video lectures, you will always get premium support from fellow students and instructors ready to answer any of your questions. My goal is that by the end of this course, you'll be able to grab your camera and know exactly what you need to do to take better photos than ever, using powerful automatic modes or swapping over to manual mode to dial in the perfect settings. So again, if you have a Canon DSLR and you're confused and don't know how to use all the features of it, and you want to get more comfortable and be confident using it, this is the class for you. Thanks so much, and we'll see you inside.